Hi, I'm Deb, a physiotherapist from Move Better for Life, and today I'm going to talk to you around lower back pain and caring for your lower back. So it's interesting to know that approximately 1/3 of Australians will experience lower back pain at some point in their life. It often resolves with some care and attention within a few weeks, but there are those people who it does resolve and then it comes back again and again and again. And the truth is that most people think that lower back pain occurs because of one heavy lift and just lifting heavy objects. And that is the case. Lifting heavy objects can lead to lower back pain. But there are two other reasons that will lead to lower back pain. The first one being prolonged sitting. So just sitting at the computer in a slumped position, watching Netflix on the TV, or driving the car for long periods. All of those things put your lower back in what we call a non-optimal position, in that slumped, curved forward position, and over a long period of time, that will load up the discs and lead to lower back pain. The second reason is just repeated bending. So that, again, forward bending, but doing this repeatedly. And you may be surprised at how often you will bend forward and bend your back in any one day. So it might be worth you just counting that, getting up in the morning and thinking, okay, I'm going to count how many times I bend forward this morning. And it will be things such as putting your shoes on, feeding the cat, picking up the kids' toys, lifting things off the floor, whatever it is. You may be surprised at how often you bend repeatedly throughout the day. So there are a couple of things that you can do to help. Firstly, we do exercises that counteract this. So things are directly opposite to bending forward, and that's what we call back extensions. Now the first and perhaps the easiest one is just in standing, placing your hands on your hips with your feet hip width apart and slowly lifting your chest and bending your trunk back. Now you're not swinging your hips forward, so it's not this, it's keeping this part of you still and lifting up and back. And you may be surprised how quickly that can help your back pain. You can do this on the floor. It's what we call a Mckenzie's technique, where you lie flat on the floor on your tummy and you lift up onto your elbows and hold it there. You're keeping your hips and your legs on the floor. It's called Mckenzie's. You can look it up on the computer, on the internet. Both of these things will help. You can also do something similar against the wall, just placing your hands against the wall and lowering your hips towards the wall. Either way, doing anything to counteract bending forward will be helpful. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll speak to you next time.